Sandbrook Ranch is one of Aubrey's most beloved master plan communities with a long list of amenities that include the carriage house with pool and fitness center, this tree house, dog parks, playgrounds, an on-site elementary school, and it has our newest listing at 1421 Bluestem. This dynamic single-story home is over 3,300 square feet. It's loaded with amenities, and wait until you see the backyard. The smart layout gives you a dedicated home office, a dedicated media room, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. And look at these high ceilings. There are so many high-end features, too many to list in this home, but one of the greatest features is the uniquity of it. There's only 2 in the neighborhood. And this amazing backyard has a covered patio, electric shade screens, a sparkling pool with plenty of yard remaining. Contact the Birdsong Group to schedule your private tour today.